With off-road capability and everyday functionality, Rivian trucks and SUVs are on the leading edge of auto technology and electric truck capability. When your Rivian is in a collision, you need a collision repair shop that's able to properly restore and repair these newly engineered vehicles. At Metropolitan Collision, our attention to detail and focus on quality is second to none.
So Rivians are probably the newest to the program as far as with working on cars. As far as with engineers, they always think that they know how a car is going to be repaired after it's being hit, but no accident is exactly the same, and so certain things could be compromised that they didn't know were going to be compromised, and we have to go back with the Rivian engineers and they actually have to change a procedure for us. And if you aren't Rivian certified, you wouldn't have any of that knowledge.
Rivian owners trust our expert technicians to restore their Rivian back to like-new condition. We use factory-specified guidelines, processes, and the recommended equipment to restore your Rivian.
Working on Rivian, their procedures of course it's an up-and-coming brand, and their procedures have been very thorough. The communication is always high standard.
I think quality is certainly a part of it, but I also think that treating the customers right, and it's important that when they come in, they feel comfortable. We want them comfortable.
Conveniently located in the Heights of Houston, Metropolitan Collision is Houston's independent Rivian certified collision center.